Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is a cook with me video and I'll be cooking delicious banga soup ofaku. So I have here chicken and dry fish. I'll start by cooking the chicken and the dry fish. Next I'll be adding water. This will help me to properly cook the chicken and the dry fish. So as you can see, the chicken and the dry fish is cooking already. At this point in time, you can start adding your ingredients. I'm starting by adding red chili pepper. You can add whatever ingredients you want to use to season your chicken and your fish. Next, I'll be adding to this cooking salt, onions, seasoning cube, mix everything together and allow to cook. I'm adding crayfish. More water. Open the banga tin and pour it into a bowl. I'll be putting the banga into a bowl and I'll mix it with water. The reason why I like using this method is because sometimes it comes with sand at the bottom part. So when you mix it with water, the sand will settle at the bottom part and you pour that away. So this is the reason why I like to mix it with water first before pouring it into the cooking pot. Gently open your pot and gently pour it into the cooking pot. Be careful as you pour it. Don't allow the bottom part of it to enter because you might have some sand at the bottom part of it. Yes, as you can see, we have some sandy particles, some things that are not supposed to be in the pot residing, at the bottom part of the bowl. So I'm going to be pouring that away. So this is the one we'll be using to cook. And here we have a delicious banga soup. So turn off the heat. At this point in time, our banga soup is ready. How cool. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, we are going to enjoy ourselves. So people, I hope you enjoyed this video, this amazing banga soup recipe, ofaku recipe. Also, some people always add like vegetable, but I don't have vegetable to add. I think it's nchangu leaf or so. I don't have vegetable leaf to add. This is why my banga soup is looking so plain. But I tell you, the aroma alone, oh my goodness, this aroma have taken over my kitchen. This banga soup is looking yummy and it tastes yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the comment section, as well as see you all in my next video. Bye, people.